That's
we're
alright,
live.
though.
Yep. At least we know the first two. Hopefully.
Okay.
So 3 is the null hypothesis, which is A.
Yep.
So it's 4.
Oh, yeah, we're cruising.
And 5, I think.
I think that is also true.
Awesome.
Let me check just back in the notes real quick and
Okay.
make sure. All right, so let's see. The null hypothesis will always be a statement involving equality. Trying to remember what was the question again.
When computing the probability, which hypothesis do you assume to be true?
Yeah, we assume the null hypothesis. That is true.
Sweet.
And so that's why it's either true or not true.
Right. And then 6 is
be
not
D.
equal.
Yeah, D not equal, because it's always equality.
And then the left-tailed is the less than, right?
The greater than.
Isn't it the U is
Oh, no.
less than 10?
It's
So C.
U. Yeah, U is less than is left-tailed. If it were greater than, it would be right-tailed. So less
Right.
than left.
So C then. And 8 is B.
You guys still there?
Yeah, I'm still here. Trying to figure out 9.
My internet kicked me off for a second.
Okay. So what's the last question that you answered?
Let's see. So I did 7. So
You got
8.
You got C for 7.
Can we turn down our quality? Maybe that'll help.
How do we turn down the quality?
So if you go up to the top where the settings are at, there's an adjust bandwidth usage, and you just click it and turn it down. It's like the 4 bars that looks like
that thing.
Yeah.
Gotcha. All right, we'll try that. All right, you there, Mike?
Oh. Oh no.
Oh, we lost him.
Just went crazy staticky right when you left too.
Yeah, let me try inviting him again. Well, actually, maybe I'll invite him in just a minute, because... Oh, there he goes. Hey, you there, Mike?
Yeah. So I don't know what the deal is with my internet tonight.
You could try turning down your quality.
I just did, and it
Okay.
sounds a lot better now. So.
Okay. I just turned mine to very low. Maybe that'll help.
All right, so what was the last question that you answered, Mike?
So I'm on 9 now.
Okay, so you got B for 8.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sweet.
Brock just texted me. He is. Let's see. He's still at work, so he's not going to make it.
Oh, that sucks.
Okay.
I'll text him back in a minute. Okay. All right, so for 9.
A, right? Maybe.
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm not positive either.
Let's go to the p-value. So the p-value, because that's what it's asking for, right?
I think, yeah.
If the p-value is small... Oh, wait, so no, we want the p-value's relationship to the alternative hypothesis, right?
The null hypothesis.
Yeah, so
Result.
which relationship would result in failing to reject the null hypothesis?
Oh, yeah. There you go.
So it says if the p-value is small, that implies the z-score was very large or far away from 0. In other words, the sample mean was really far away from the mean. So if the z-score is really, if it's like basically outside of 2 standard deviations, then we reject the null hypothesis.
Okay.
So if the p-value is greater than...
I would say, what's this alpha again? There's so many Greek letters, I'm trying to remember what they are.
They don't correlate between different classes either, so that's
the
worst.
So alpha...
Oh, here, level of significance. So if the p is low, reject the null. The level of significance is often denoted by the symbol alpha.
So it'd be B if the p-value is smaller than the alpha.
Yep. The p is small, reject the null.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with B. Oh wait, that's failing to reject the null hypothesis, which means we keep the hypothesis.
Oh shoot.
So
it would be A.
I think A.
Yep.
That's what I'm going with at least. And so in order to reject the null hypothesis, it would be lower than alpha, I think. Let me just double check, because this is...
Because alpha's the confidence level, basically.
Uh-huh.
And so if the p-value is greater, then we don't reject it, and then if it's less than, we do reject it.
Yep. Okay. I'm good with that. I think it's C.
I think so too.
And then I think 12 is B. Oh, wait, no. It would be A, right?
Yeah, it's equal.
You agree, Mike? Disagree?
Hang on. I had to reload my quiz, and it didn't say like six of them. So.
Oh no.
Can you just to go back and review?
I'll read them off just to double check. I think I got them. So, let's see. Starting at 6 was D.
Did you say D?
Does that sound right?
Yeah, 6 is D.
7 is C.
Mm-hmm.
8 is B.
Yep.
9, did we figure A?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So 9 is A. 10. I don't have 10.
It's B.
B as in boy.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, and then
Then 11 we think is C.
minus 3, 15. Okay. So why?
So, because they want the alternative hypothesis. So they
Mm-hmm.
originally setting rates, they believed that the average claim was 1,500. They are concerned that the true mean is actually higher than this. So this is the alternative hypothesis, so it's not going to be equal. It's going to be greater than or less than. And so the alternative hypothesis is that it's not actually 1,500, that it's greater than 1,500.
Okay. That
So
makes
then,
sense.
so then for 12, we want the null hypothesis, which is equal to or not equal to. And so the null, which is the status quo, would be that the average claim amount is equal to 1,500.
Right.
Which is A.
Yep.
Yep. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. All right.
So this is like the same calculation we have done a lot. So we do 1650 minus 1500. They stay the standard deviation.
No.
Oh wait, so I guess we don't. Maybe we're not calculating that yet. So the insurance company assumes the distribution of samples mean is normal. Is this a good assumption? Yes, because it's greater than 30.
Right.
Right.
I guess I should actually read the question before I start calculating.
Yeah.
I do that all the time.
Oh, there's numbers. We got to calculate it.
And is this central limit theorem?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Which of the following is the test statistic as defined in this lesson?
Isn't it Z? I don't know. There's so many.
So I think the test statistic is actually X bar because that's the one that we're computing everything against. Or am I?
No, it's Z.
Is it Z?
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
it's Z. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Z equals X bar minus U over
Over sigma over square root of
divided
n.
by the square root of n. Yep.
Yeah.
Where did you find that?
I just.
That was in the reading.
Yep. 4.2 test statistic, and then you look down. There's a calculation.
Good call.
Yep.
Awesome. Cool. Thanks.
Let's see.
All right. So this we actually calculate.
Yeah.
Do we not have the we don't have the standard deviation, do we? Or am I totally blind?
I don't think so.
Yeah, we do. It's $40.
Sorry.
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. I'm blind. So the z-score
Is
is a lot.
statistics.
Hmm. So do we
So-
put that z-score into the normal probability applet thing, or do we just look at it?
We just give the z-score.
Oh, it's just asking for the z-score, which is... I've got too many calculators open. 0.900?
I think so.
Or is it negative? It's negative 0.900.
Yeah, I think you're right.
What is the p-value? So that's whenever... Now we need the normal probability applet.
Okay.
So she wants to know... She wants to know what's less, right?
Yeah, so it's 0.184.
Yep, that's what I got.
For 17.
Yeah. You know how to get that, Mike?
No, you guys are cutting out super bad. I don't know
I
why.
don't mean.
Sorry, man. So did you
That's
get
all
the
right.
did you get the z-score of negative 0.900?
Yeah, so I got that. So how do you do the p-score again?
So the p-score is the probability.
Mhm.
So you go to that normal probability applet and put in the
Yeah.
z-score of negative 0.900. And then she wants to know if it's less than that. So you only select the left-hand side and you get 0.184.
Okay. Where do you go to get that? Like, I know where it's at, but how do you find that applet easily?
What I usually do is I go up to the top and in the search bar just search applet and it's the first thing.
I've just,
okay.
in Chrome, I've just saved it as like a favorites, and so it's just on my bar and I can just click on it.
I should
Bring it
probably do
Yeah.
that, but I'm
So I
lazy.
saved the Excel files and like just some other random file, but this one I always have trouble finding.
Yep.
Okay.
I do this because I'm lazy and I don't want to go search for it.
No, it's smart. It saves time.
All right, so what would we make? What inference would we make?
Fail to reject the null hypothesis, wouldn't it be?
Yeah, there's not enough. There's insufficient evidence.
Right.
And yeah, I just did that and I got 1.184 for 17.
Okay, awesome.
And so
now-
insufficient evidence.
Mm-hmm. That's what we think.
Which one?
So that's type 1, isn't it?
So whenever we reject a null hypothesis, we say a type 1 error was committed.
Right. So which one involves rejecting the null hypothesis when the null hypothesis is true? So we reject the null hypothesis even though it is true, And whenever we reject a true null hypothesis, we say that a type 1 error was committed.
Okay.
All right. So 20.
Ooh.
So the probability of a type 2 error will increase, right? Because the smaller it gets, the more likely it's going to happen.
I think so.
Because it says if the alpha value is very small, the probability of committing a type 2
Type 2
error
error will be large.
will be large. Yep.
Is that under that 4.5? Type 1 and type 2 errors?
Yes.
Yes. It's
Yeah.
after the little,
Little
chart
graph
thing.
Yeah. So what was the answer on 20?
It'll be B.
Okay, so
Wouldn't it just be 0.05?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, because
Yeah, I think.
that's what it even has the same number in the paragraph above the shaded box. It explains it.
Hmm.
Yeah. Want me to submit it?
Sure.
I haven't submitted first yet, so I think it's my turn.
Okay.
I got.
Should be an A.
Yep, that's what I got.
Awesome.
Awesome. That was pretty quick.
Yeah, that wasn't bad at all.
No, that
It was
wasn't
more
bad.
definitions than actual calculations this time, so
Yeah, so it's just a matter of going back to the book, which is nice.
yep.
Yep.
Awesome. Well, yeah, I would just email the teacher and just ask him about those percentages from the quiz because it'll help quite a bit.
Yeah. I already sent him an email, so
Awesome.
hopefully he gets back to me.
He will. He got back to me this afternoon.
That's awesome.
Yep.
Alright, guys.
Cool. Have a good weekend and
Peace out.
see you on Tuesday.
Yeah. See you guys.
Bye.